Lesnar is lurking.
Hey, how's it going everyone? Hope you're all having an awesome day. In this video, we have some news on why Finn Balor's demon character is returning soon. But if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe for more WWE news. Alright guys? So during the main event of Friday Night SmackDown this week, following Roman Reigns' successful Universal title defense against Finn Balor, as Roman Reigns made his way back up the aisle, fans could hear the sound of a heartbeat and also see the arena lights briefly turn red. And although some fans believe that this was just WWE's way of hyping up Brock Lesnar's return to Friday Night SmackDown, that does not seem to be the case. Because according to Wrestling News, the reason for the heartbeat sound and why the arena lights briefly turn red is not a tease for Brock Lesnar's return. Instead, is for the return of Finn Balor's demon character. Furthermore, as also reported by PWINSIDER, Roman Reigns is said to be facing Finn Balor at Extreme Rules on September 26th. So unless plans change, fans can expect to see the return of the demon Finn Balor for Extreme Rules in just a few weeks. Alright guys, so according to the report, it does look like Finn Balor will bring back the demon character for Extreme Rules because he is said to be facing Roman Reigns at the event. However, I do not think that Finn Balor will be successful in defeating Roman Reigns, because there was also a report saying that WWE planned to have Roman Reigns defend the Universal Championship against Brock Lesnar at Crown Jewel in October. So I'm pretty sure that Finn Balor will not be able to defeat Roman Reigns at Extreme Rules. But it will be awesome to see him, bring back the demon character, in my opinion. So with that being said, guys, please make sure to let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's video. Stay safe, and as always, I will see you guys on the next one.